Hey guys, welcome back to UpTech tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how we can log in our GoCard. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the web browser. Next, search GoCard login. After that, click on this first link appeared on your screen. Now, here, you have to enter your GoCard number and your password. Make sure to enter them correctly. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget your password and reset your password. After entering your card number and your password correctly, click on login. So this is how you log in your GoCard. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.